Hi everyone, it's Lana here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. This is Lana Summertime. In today's video, I wanted to come to you with a Christmas gift guide, my curly hair themed wish list. Maybe I'm a little bit late because I feel like a lot of people did their shopping around about Black Friday, maybe the end of November, but if you're like me, there's still some time to do some Christmas shopping. So I really hope that this gift guide helps you out even in just a little way. I am also going to be including a very special announcement that I'm so excited to be able to bring to you today. Maybe grab a mince pie, maybe have a hot drink at hand, and let's get into the Christmas wish list gift guide. Okay, there are so many things that I could think of in the curly hair care category, but I decided to really limit it to the things that I felt like would feel like a gift, because sometimes you buy stuff in curly hair and it kind of just feels like, oh, you've bought me a shampoo, like, okay, thank you. Like, if you can buy it in like a gift set version, that would be amazing. So that's going to be my number one, is to buy a curly hair product gift set. So these really are in abundance. Like, probably most of your favorite hair care brands do have a gift set version, but I have a couple here just to show you what I mean. This is the Moroccan Oil Discover Hydration gift set. So it comes with this little travel bag. It has their hydrating shampoo, the hydrating conditioner, it has a hand cream, and it has their famous Moroccan argan oil treatment as well. So I think this would be a great gift to give to somebody who maybe is planning on traveling. I know actually a lot of people take winter trips. I took a kind of winter spring trip to Morocco myself this year. It was this year, but it was like right at the start of this year, so it feels like ages ago. But it was definitely a winter trip, so this would definitely be something that would get them in the mood for traveling. I have another one here. This is the Aveda Strengthening Essentials line. This is their botanical repair products, which I absolutely love. I use them all the time. I think if you want a really budget-friendly one, Umberto Gianni has a gift set that's literally like £7 or £8, I think. I will try my best to link everything down below. But just going back to this Aveda one really quickly, I actually spent some time at the Aveda Salon recently, and that was such an experience. I am going to be posting a vlog about that, but honestly I think it would also make an amazing gift to give somebody a salon voucher. I know a lot of salons around London and hopefully around the rest of the country as well do vouchers for a trip. You can have a cut, a color, a blow dry, like whatever you feel like. The Aveda Salon actually has all kinds of things. They do like nails, facials, everything. So that's going to be my number two, is a salon voucher. Number three is going to be the Jisoo hair perfume. I just realized that I pronounce it just like Jisoo from Blackpink, but honestly I don't know how to actually pronounce it. It's the hair perfume. I have gotten into a bad habit myself of just spraying my regular perfume like all over my hair, and I know that I shouldn't do it because perfume contains alcohol and that is very drying for your hair, so you should really try to avoid that. So I have been on the lookout for a nice hair perfume that's dedicated to hair, and the one that keeps popping up is the Jisoo. I haven't tried it myself, but it looks so luxurious, and I feel like anybody that's into hair care would really appreciate this thoughtful gift. Okay, so the next thing is going to be hair bows and hair ribbons. If you do not know about the hair bow hype, you must have been living under a rock. It's definitely the accessory of the season. They have really just been popping off. We've seen hair bows in every shape, size, and format this season. You could get like a huge bow that's like ready-made. I've seen these on ASOS. Literally just buy a length of ribbon and make your own hair ribbon so you can really accessorize it exactly how you want. Any way that you feel like doing this is gonna be appreciated, especially if you're like me and I love a hair bow. Like, I would be so happy if anybody just gifted me like any kind of hair bow, like, because I will wear it. I am a hair bow girl, and I always have been, and I feel like I always will be. I love hair bows and I love that they're having a moment. Kind of makes me feel like not so weird for always wearing hair bows. I would get comments actually when I would wear a hair bow and people would be like, oh, that's cute. But they didn't really think so. They thought maybe it was like too cute and like cutesy. Whereas now it's like a thing and we're all wearing hair bows and I'm here for it and I love it. And I'm gonna link some of my favorite hair bows in the description box down below so that you guys can check them out. Okay, so the next thing in my curly hair list is gonna be a satin pillowcase. I have them actually. These were gifted to me and I don't even know where they came from. They were like a mystery gift which is really weird. Anyway, a satin pillowcase is going to be so good for curly hair. I feel like I'm really just going to be preaching to the choir, like telling you guys what you already know, and I trust that you know the benefits of sleeping on satin and silk. I personally prefer polyester satin because it does just as good a job as silk in my opinion, and it's vegan, whereas silk is not vegan. And I know that there are some wonderful holiday gift sets featuring satin pillowcases. I will try my best to link them down below. They're going to protect your hair from breakage, from frizz, all of that nastiness. You're going to have lovely, long, healthy hair if that's what you want. Personally, I would opt just for satin pillowcases because in my experience, the whole satin bedspread, like satin duvet covers, are not the vibe. In theory, they should feel so luxurious and everything to sleep in, but in my experience, they just don't. I don't like the feeling of like slipping and sliding all around my bed. So I would rather just stick to the regular breathable cotton bedspread and then have the satin pillowcases. So that's just my little tip for you if you are thinking of gifting somebody or asking for bedwear this holiday season. Okay, so the next item that I have to mention is going to be something from Headchie. So Headchie is actually my brand. Headchie stands for headband and a scrunchie in one. So it really is like the only accessory that you need. I am forever carrying around my Headchies. I keep one in my bag at all times. I've given one to like all of my friends. Like one of my best friends, she tells me that like it's the only thing that keeps her hair in place, like when she ties it in a scrunchie, because it's like extra wide. It really just does the job. So these are my current varieties of Headchies. We have the thicker one right here, so you see like it's headband size. It can go all around your head, but it also makes an amazing scrunchie as well. So this is the thinner variety. So same thing, it can be used as a headband and as a scrunchie, and yeah, they're just so versatile. I absolutely love them. These are again made of satin, so they're going to be really gentle on your hair, really soft. You know, they don't leave kinks, they don't cause breakage. These are honestly just my favorite little things. I'm going to leave them linked down below. They are available at headchiehair.co.uk. Okay, so the next item in curly hair gifts is going to be a Tangle Teezer. I don't know if you guys are sick of me talking about Tangle Teezer at this point, but honestly, I cannot recommend this hairbrush enough. This is the Detangling brush. They are now calling this the ultimate detangler. I do remember when this style was called the wet detangler, but I think since then maybe they've realized that it's actually just a great all-round detangling brush, and now it's kind of been rebranded as the ultimate detangler. I guess I was right when I said that this is the best one. I have not come across a brush that's better than this for curly hair. This really will just detangle your hair quicker than any other brush, as long as you're using the right technique. If you are going to be following any kind of like a brush definition technique, then I do love this one for it. I do love this brush. I'm going to leave it linked down below. So the next gift in curly hair is going to be a diffuser. This one right here is the Bellissima Defon Supreme. It says here custom drying for soft, bouncy and defined curls. It comes with this lovely felt little bag there so that it doesn't get scratched or ruined. And then this is the diffuser. So as you can see, it's a hairdryer, but it is specifically designed for diffusing. It doesn't have this like clunky handle over here. It's supposed to be held here, this big deep scoop diffuser bowl right here, and this means that you can really drop all of your hair into there. You can scrunch it up and you can get that nice bouncy curly blow dry. It has like lots of grips right here as well, which is really just going to keep the hair separated while it's in there, so you don't end up with like one giant curl clump. It also has lots and lots and lots of tiny holes, which is going to ensure an even spread of heat. I really cannot live without a diffuser, but honestly such an essential for people with curly hair. Honestly, I feel like diffusing my hair has changed my life. Leave a comment if you agree. For number 9, I really thought I filmed this, but apparently I didn't. I wanted to say scalp brush, like a scalp exfoliator, because those have really come in so handy for me. But in the theme of this video, I wanted to make sure that it felt like a gift, so I found these wonderful gift sets that include the scalp brush and an exfoliating product. So these are on Cult Beauty, look fantastic. I'm sure if you shop around you'll find some more, but I'm going to link these two that I found in the description box down below. I think these would make an amazing gift because with curly hair, we are prone to build up on our scalp. We don't wash our hair as often and we do use pretty heavy products, so that build up really can be troublesome. So this kind of gift is something that's really thoughtful, and I think I'd be happy if I received this. Okay guys, so we have reached the special announcement. I cannot believe that I'm actually able to tell you guys this. I feel so excited, like I actually feel nervous. So the next item that I think would make an amazing Christmas gift is my book. I have dropped so many hints about a secret project that I've been working on over the past year and more. I started working on this in 2021. I always had dreams of putting together a book, and I've finally done it. So this book is called Curly Hairstyles of Curlstagram, Your Guide to the Best Curly Hairstyles of Social Media and Beyond by Lana Summer. I should explain the title as well. So curly hairstyles, of course, but of Curlstagram, that's because, I know we're on YouTube right now, but don't tell. So that's really because at the time when this book was being conceptualized, I was making a lot of curly hairstyles videos on Instagram. My whole page was just filled with curly hair all the time. Like anytime I went on Instagram, it really truly felt like this was Curlstagram now. Like this is not Instagram, this is Curlstagram. And I don't know, I still feel like that to this day. So I really felt like it had a nice ring to it, Curlstagram. I wanted to make something that was had that kind of social media feel whilst not being glued to our phones, because I don't really like being glued to my phone all the time. When I was making this book, I really just had my past self in the forefront of my mind. So when I was younger, when I didn't know anything about curly hairstyling, when I would get so frustrated about my hair, and when I felt like curly hair wasn't destined to be made up into pretty hairstyles, like there was just nothing I could do with my hair, and that's really what led me to straightening my hair. And if I hadn't have done that, then I wouldn't have started a YouTube channel and I wouldn't be here now. So that's definitely what got me here today. But honestly, when I think of that young person, and I think all they really needed was something like this. But I definitely think that this is going to be great for pretty much anyone that's trying to get to grips with the basics of curly hairstyling. This is a very beginner friendly book, so there's nothing too crazy, too advanced in here. I really tried my hardest to answer a lot of the common questions that I get in my YouTube videos and on my Instagram videos and that kind of thing. So yeah, we have part 1, mastering the basics. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about hairstyling, from parting your hair to separating it. There's pictures. I've tried my hardest to explain everything as best as I can. We even have a chapter on braiding, Dutch braiding. I want to show you maybe one of my favorite chapters. So right here we have the Barbie pony. So I really just explain everything. We have an image of the final look right there. And we have the instructions and a step-by-step guide. We have the extra long pony right there. So in this ponytail, I really made my hair look twice as long without any extension. We've got items here like the bubble braid. Honestly guys, I cannot wait for you guys to read this. But yeah, I just really wanted to announce this book officially in a video and let you guys know that this is now available on Amazon. I'm gonna leave it linked down below. And I really hope you guys love it. This one is for you guys. I've been thinking about you every step of the way, and I really hope it helps, and I really hope that this can bring you some sort of joy in even a fraction of the way that you guys have brought joy to me. So that is it for my Christmas wish list this year. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Also leave a comment, tell me what you are asking for this Christmas. Was it in my list? Is it something we haven't thought of? Leave it in the comment section for everybody else to find, and maybe share some ideas. I'm still so smiley. I'm so excited about that announcement. I'm flustered. Okay, I had so much fun making this video today. I'm just gonna run now and edit it and get this posted as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I love you. Have a very happy weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye.